It's not happening, okay? No silence. There is no silence. There is no silence. There is no silence. That's why you don't get videos from me, guys. You get videos like, but there's no quiet time. And I know if you're watching a video and you hear all sort of noises. Why am I making the noises though? Yeah, but if you hear all those noises that are around me, I know that you're gonna be like, boop, click off, and you're already clicking off. Some of you don't it. You just see my face and like, oh, okay, bye. Okay, guys, what's up, Afro lovers and friends? Welcome back to another video. I really hope this is not echoing. Let's get into it. Smells so good. The ends. Okay guys, so to achieve this look, I know I should have done an entire video on my wash day and all of that, but I used Creme of Nature. Yeah, so I used Creme of Nature shampoo with argan oil from Morocco. I used the entire line, and I used the Moisture and Shine shampoo, and I used the Intense Conditioner to condition. Okay, so these two. Then, as you can see, I did a flat twist and I used the mousse. And that's good, trust me. I used the mousse and I used the curled and old custard. Come on, focus. Yeah. I used the curled and old custard, and I used the Moisture Rich Air Moisturizer. Yeah, and that was about it. Now let me tell you, it came out very good, minus the frizz. It's a lot of frizz, but granted, I had it in for a week and I didn't take great care of it during that week because, okay, so I think the mousse brought it all together, let it actually curl. I did this before. I think I did it with Tiny Bump, or what you guys would call Bantu nuts. I did it before and it did not turn out well, and I guess because I didn't use any gel and I didn't use any curling product. I just used hair oil and my leave-in conditioner, and that was it. You'll see the results, okay? So I think this did very good, but in terms of frizz, I don't know if it is me. I did something wrong because it says the mousse prevents frizz. The mousse, this prevents frizz and adds exotic shine. Well, it really do look shiny. It got that down. The shine is down. Try to stretch my ear and not stretch out all the curl. I don't get that. Maybe I shouldn't stretch. Maybe I should just leave it as it is. And I am not good at doing the pulling down thing. I know what to do, but I just don't have the patience to do it. I soon come to you, man. I just don't have the patience to do it. So definitely need to work out that, because it might not have been the most, and it might just be me. And yeah, so it might be me and the takedown why it didn't came out that great. And but I love these products. They're good. I would recommend them. Yeah, I would recommend them. They're all good. They're all good. Yeah. So yeah, I'm trying to get a thumbnail. I don't know if this is gonna be the best ones in poor thumbnails anyway. But yes guys, so these are great, and so far, yeah, no flakes. As you can see, I haven't experienced any flakes. Oh, whoa. I can't do this without saying I made my aloe vera oil. Okay, a video should be up, or a video will be coming soon on it, but I didn't have to shake it up, you know. And guys, this was in my cupboard for maybe about a month and a half. A month and a half, yeah, or there, maybe about a month. But look at it. And this is the infused one, okay? It's thick, isn't it? Thicker. You must wonder what else did I put in it. But you see that video and how it is made. Right now I have bits of rosemary in it, and I put some rosemary oil as well in it. So it smells good, but I can tell you when I took this out, it had molds in it, and it had molds, and the scent was atrocious. Was awful. So this is the first time I'm doing a flat twist out, and I realized it is much better than a twist out. Oh my god, much better.